Hello everyone, this is Vinay here again from Learn Coding with Vinay, and this is part 9 of the video series Career in IT. Right. So if you are interested in some of the career streams or job profiles listed over here, I would suggest you to go, please go through my this video series. You will have a good idea on what you should learn and what are these streams are. Right. In this video, we are going to focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning. So let's dive into this. So, artificial intelligence and machine learning are a very popular stream nowadays. And before we move ahead, I would like to request, as just like data scientists and data analysts, these two, AI and ML, have now separate engineering branches in India. So one can, graduate from AI and ML stream, and also they can do master in AI and ML as AI and ML, keeping AI and ML as a major subject, right? So again, those who are already doing AI and ML engineering or graduation or master, right, they should be very well aware of what they need to learn, what their path is, right? But I have created this video to let other know, like other general computer engineering, IT, BCA, MCA, right, BSc IT, MSc IT, if they want to dive in, where should they start, right? So whenever this video is being watched by someone who has done already AI or ML, feel free to put down in your comments that if I have missed something, if there is something that needs to be included, I would love to incorporate that and enhance the video content. Right, so that's one request I would like to place it down over here. Now let's move ahead with the AI and ML. Now, what is actually AI and ML engineering? Right. Now, what do their day-to-day tasks involve? Right. So both AI and ML actually day-to-day tasks, they involve gathering relevant data from various sources. Right. Because see, it's all about, if we talk about data analysts, data scientists, AI and ML, it is all about data. Right. So data will be the key factor. So anything relevant to related to data, you should know, right, if you are choosing one of these. Then cleaning and processing raw data, right, structuring data, training AI models, ensuring it is generating the right output, developing and coding AI models using framework like TensorFlow and PyTorch, right, training machine learning models with large data set. Now, since AI and ML, they actually go hands in hand, right? So I have listed their task commonly over here, right? But once I just read out this, we'll try to differentiate what exactly AI engineer is responsible for and what exactly ML engineer is responsible for. Right. Again, moving ahead, deploying AI models to cloud platforms, right? Then documenting the process of generating ML models or generating your AI agents, right? And stay up to date with the latest technologies, latest research tools, frameworks, etc. Right. Now, these are pretty common tasks of both of them, but what exactly is the difference between AI and ML, right, artificial intelligence and machine learning? So AI is actually a very broader term, right, and ML is a subset of AI, right? And AI, as I said, AI is a very broader term that encompasses creating intelligent agents which are capable of performing performing tasks which requires human intelligence. So they try to mimic human intelligence behavior, AI, right? While ML is a subset of AI, and that is focused on developing algorithms and let computer learn from the existing data, right, and then come up with the predictive analysis, right? So ML is actually subset of AI, right? Now the sorry, I beg your pardon. Now moving ahead, now, although this seems still still we feel that these two are kind of quite same, but let's try to deep dive into it again, right? Then what is the primary focus of an AI engineer? AI engineer will be probably focused on building the entire AI system or integration of AI into existing business applications, right? While ML engineer will more involved in designing, developing, and optimizing ML models so that they can make machine learn and machine can predict the future behaviors, future trends, and etc. Right. So typical task of a AI engineer would around system integration, adapting AI for business use, ethical guidance for ethical use of AI, full AI project management, integration with other AIs also sometime, right? While ML engineer will be closely working on data analysis, model training, preparing large data sets, deployment of machine learning models to cloud, right? Right. Then the let's consider the project example, that what kind of project AI can AI we can apply, and what kind of project that ML can be applied, right? So consider self-driving cars, AI assistants, that assist on like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or any other. These are the example of your AI projects, right? What about ML, machine learning projects? So your credit score, product recommendation engine, right? Spam filters. These are the example of your ML developer, ML engineer, right? So what is actually credit score? So based on your salary, monthly saving, and expenditure, that engine will let you know that what credit score you have currently, and right, and based on your credit score, if you go to bank, they will ask, if you are going for a loan, then they will ask what is your credit score, right? So based on that, your loan amount or interest rate will be decided, right? So this will be handy for so this will be a handy case where ML can be applied, machine learning can be applied, right? Second is the product recommendation engine. So if you have noticed, if you go to e-commerce website anywhere, and if you want to buy something, that with that product details, there will be some other product also recommended by saying that okay, users who bought this have bought this and this product also, right? So that is a recommendation engine. That is again a part of that is again a use case where machine learning can be applied, right? And spam filters, we all know, right? We don't want spam mails to land directly in our inbox. It should go into some other folder called spams, or any other folder name which you wanna give, right? So I hope this will give you a good idea about AI and ML, right? So, and as I said, I would love to hear from who has done graduation or who are working as an AI and ML engineer. Please do, when I upload this video, please do comment your uh, experience. Do comment if anything needs to be added over here. I would love to enhance this video. So let me move to next. So I think, yeah, one more thing we missed over here actually. So just give me a moment. Over here there has to be one slide that tells what tools and technology one should be using. So let me just add it over here right away quickly, because it seems I accidentally deleted it. Just give me a moment. Hmm. Okay, so let's try to yeah, over here. So if you are planning to become an AI or ML engineer, then what tools and technology or what programming languages you should learn. Then I have tried to list down this to my best knowledge. But as I said, I would love to hear from existing AI and machine learning engineers. And whenever this video is uploaded, please put down your comments in the comment section. So primarily, this AI and ML will require Python, R, Java, and C, C++. I think you don't need to know everything. Knowing one language would be good enough. Like Python would be a uh, good for beginners to start with. Right. Then there are tools and technologies you need to be aware of: the TensorFlow, PyTorch, Skitlearn, Git and GitHub will be everywhere. Cloud platform, any one of Azure, AWS, GCP, Hadoop, Spark. Now, what are these few models? Let's understand. What are these models? For example, Spark. Spark is designed to big data workloads, right? Apache Spark is an open source distributed processing system used for big data workloads. It utilizes in-memory caching, and optimized query execution. Right? PyTorch. PyTorch is a deep learning framework. Right? Scikit-learn is a Python library, that is widely used in machine learning. Right? So these are some of the tools detail. And Hadoop is an actually open source framework used to distribute storage and processing of large data set across clusters of computers, so basically across the network. Right? The computers which maybe are connected with different systems, or maybe they are there for different, to serve different application purposes. And if you want to share data between them, then Hadoop will be the key factor over there. Right? So I hope you have an idea what you should learn and what you should not. Right? And let me move to the next screen now. So that's it about AI and ML. In the next video, we will discuss RPA, robot processing automation, and game development. Right. And with that, we will be ending this video series. So see you in the last video. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for watching the video.